Today you join us with a beast of an AMG. So this is the C63, and I have to say this is a nice looking bit of kit. Already sporting some Carbonwurks carbon on this, so that's already a good start. Today it's in for some power, or at least noise. So we've got some pipe across filters, which you can see here on the floor next to me, and some BR Motorsport downpipes. So these are these nice tasty looking finished parts here on the floor. So not the most simple process to install these. It does require the gearbox to be dropped amongst a few other bits and pieces, but it's not one of those jobs that we shy away from. So we're looking forward to seeing what this sounds like. We've done a few of these now and they're really nice products. They fit nicely. So yeah, we'll do a bit of a before and after video of the revs, and hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Yeah, this should be biblical. Right guys, we've completed this car. Sam managed to knock it out within a day, which is really difficult to do for such a big job. Gearbox has to come out amongst things. It's a big job. We smashed it out within a day, and I am genuinely lost for words how insane this car sounds. I mean, this is a remap, some pipe across air filters which will help it breathing, and some decatted downpipes, and this thing is just insane. They still sound better than anything out there, these V8s. I'm really pleased with the way this sounds. The install went really well, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video as well. So yeah, until next time, we'll see you then.